warm wishes of the day. I hope we have already started your online classes or studies after the summer vacation. Yesterday onwards, we have started sending you materials, classes as well as study materials. I hope you are paying attention to that and doing your work well. And we had completed a chapter yesterday, and I had told you, or I had given you the details, all that. Now today we are going to start a new chapter, that is prepositions. What is a preposition? Can anyone guess? You would have studied in your lower classes. Prepositions are very small words. Sometimes many of the prepositions are very small. You may have only 2 or 3 letters in it. Are words that are used to show a relationship between various words of a sentence. Earlier, when I was studying, and it was taught that preposition is a word that is used before a noun to show its relationship with other nouns, pronouns in that sentence. Now that outlook has changed. It can sometimes show the relationship between 2 nouns. Sometimes it is one noun and one pronoun. Sometimes it can be between a verb and a noun. So various situations it is used these days, or that old definition is changed now. Whatever it is, prepositions are words that are used to show relationship between the words in the sentence. Certain times if there is no relationship, it is very difficult for us to understand. Now there is a pen in my pocket. Now just imagine that without in, there is a pen in my pocket. Then we will definitely find it difficult to understand. It is that word in, which is a preposition, helps us to understand that sentence well, or also to connect those words in that sentence. So that is how prepositions are used. They are very small, but used properly, they really enrich the meaning of your sentences. It will help you to understand whatever message is to be conveyed in a better way. That's the advantage of using preposition. You have to learn to use them correctly too. Now, extra sometimes if you use, the meaning can change, it will go wrong. And sometimes part of speech of a word will also change. For example, when somebody asks you, how are you? You say, I am well. Means I am fine, I am alright. Now suppose, just for fun as well as a serious learning of it, please understand that you use the word preposition in there. I am in well. Do you understand the difference? I am well and I am in well. I am well means I am fine about my well-being. When you say I am in well, the well becomes a place where we collect water actually. So sometimes preposition used unwantedly can do this kind of so-called wonders of sentences, so you should understand that. Now if it is used wrongly, the meaning will change. See, you have let's say call on, call off, call out, call in. There are so many ones are there. Now call on means pay a visit, go and see him. Call off means cancel. On my way home, I called on my friend, that means I visited. The laborers of a particular factory called off their strike. They were striking for something, the management agreed to give, or some understanding was made. Now they called off, means cancelled. They stopped striking. Now imagine that in a sentence where the laborers have called off their strike, if they use wrongly on, then the meaning will change, or wrong meaning will come. So you have to use prepositions properly. So that's the importance of preposition. It is very much needed, very much required. Now, kinds of preposition. Kinds of preposition. Generally, there are 4 types. That is simple prepositions, which mean, as I have written a few examples here, in, at, on, among, along, beside, and other small ones. They are called simple prepositions. Next one is compound, combined, okay, inside, within. Like this, sometimes 2 words put together, a preposition is made, and that is called a compound sentence. The next one is prepositional phrases, where there will be 2 to 3 prepositions connected together and used as a preposition phrase. For example, in front of, in spite of, in case of. Sorry, this is 2 words actually. In case of. Like this, they are called preposition phrases. Then participle preposition. I don't know if you remember when you studied last year classes what is participle. Participle is an ing form of a verb. Now sometimes, see, look here, words like during, concerning, these are also used as prepositions. So they are called participle prepositions. These are the various types of prepositions. Now let's look at a few common prepositions that we normally use. Let's look at in and at. These 2 prepositions, when it is used together in one sentence, we use at for the smaller one and in for the bigger one. It can refer to time, place and all that, very easy to understand. For example, I met my friend at the railway station in Ranchi. I was going home, so I went to catch my train from Ranchi station. When I went there, he was there. Now, take the size of these 2 places. Railway station is a small place and Ranchi is a large town. So that's what I told you. In is used for the larger one and at is used for the smaller one when both of them are used in one sentence. So I tell that I met my friend at Ranchi railway station because it's a small place. At the railway station in Ranchi. Ranchi is a larger place. Talking about time, I will meet you at 9 o'clock in the morning. 9 o'clock is a small point of time, a particular point of time. In the morning is the largest stretch of time. Let's say for our understanding from 5 to 10 in the morning. So 5 hours time. But 9 is only one point. So we use at 9 o'clock in the morning. This is how these 2 prepositions are used. That's enough for today, and the remaining part of it I will deal with you, I will give it you in the next video tomorrow. Please go through this again and again, and I will be also sending the materials. Kindly follow it as you listen to the video and see how well you understand it. Both things will be easy for you, you will be able to understand